straight from China. I'm gonna show you guys how to get designer clothes worth thousands of dollars for the low price of under just $100. And you guys, you are not going to want to miss this unboxing. For today's unboxing, I picked out some kick-ass Dior clothes, a full Dior sweatsuit, a sweat top with sweat shorts, and I picked up an accessory, a sick stretch sweatband from Christian Dior to go on top. So I know I'm gonna be dripped out in Christian Dior, and I cannot wait to open up the packaging to see how fucking fire this designer haul is gonna be. You know, not all of us can afford designer for like $2,000 for the outfit. I mean, like, who can freaking afford that? So this is the total plug. If you guys want to rock designer at home and you're just like a regular person on a regular budget like me, this is totally the hack. I will link it down below where I found the products. Be careful, you guys. I will link it down below, but definitely do all of your own research and read the reviews, because I know sellers on the app change all the time. So do all your own research and check the reviews and stuff once you get there, just to make sure that everything is still the same by the time you guys watch this video. Before we get into the fun stuff, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can become a part of the It's Jbunny fam. The channel is growing every single day. We're on our way to 3,000 subscribers. Also, you guys, whether you're subscribed or not subscribed, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, because it really helps to support the video. Lastly, you guys, make sure you comment down below what you think of the haul, how good you think this designer actually looks. Is it authentic to you? And do you want to see more hauls? I've been waiting freaking forever for these packages to come in. But when you order things from China, I mean, these things take time. For good things, you have to wait. So just to give you a little timeline, if you're interested in also ordering these same items or some other items off the Dhgate app, I ordered these back on February 28th, 2021. And I received the first small package, the headband, in just a month, but I've been saving it for 2 months because I wanted to unbox all of the items at the same time. The sweatsuit actually came in on May 3rd, so I waited like 2 months and 1 week to get my items in, which really isn't that bad of a wait time. Just if you want something, make sure you guys give yourself like a little bit of an advance notice. The tracking updates, they're in Chinese and you're not really going to be able to follow the tracking. It's not like ordering off of Amazon. There's no overnight shipping or anything like that. So for these pieces, as far as pricing goes, if you guys were gonna cop these originals over on the Dior website, the top is called the hooded Anorak, whatever. The top sweatsuit from Dior is worth $3,900. $3,900. Okay, I know I said $2,000. I don't have $2,000 to spend on designer before. Just the top is worth $3,900. So in comparison, when I ordered off the Dhgate app, I ordered this for $98.40, under $100, and it comes with not just the top, but also the shorts. And the shorts alone are running $1,800 on the Dior.com website right now. So let me do the math. That is $5,700 for this freaking sweatsuit, and you're getting it for under $100. So let's go ahead and open this package up to see how authentic and how badass it looks. I'm freaking excited. Let's do this. So I just want to show you guys the label to show that it's coming straight from China. It came in this standard gray packaging, and it's coming using China Post, and then it says it switched over to United States Postal Service. It doesn't even look like customs opened this up, so yes, I lucked out on that. And yeah, you guys, let's open it up. Oh shit, I'm so freaking hype on this right now. Okay guys, so some things come in a box. You can pay for a Christian Dior box. I didn't want to pay the extra money because I'm not giving it as a gift. So I just ordered mine, just the clothing, and holy crap, this looks so freaking sick. Okay, let me get it out of the back. Now, I ordered a double XL because I want mine to be a baggy fit, and plus I'm always worried about Chinese sizes. You know how the China sizes will run really, really small. So this right here, you can see my face. This is a double XL. It's tight, y'all. I think it's gonna fit, but like it's tight. So definitely order up a size. So these are the shorts. Yo, they're so freaking bomb. They have the Christian Dior right here on the pocket. Oh my God, I'm freaking sliving for this. They have a back pocket. Oh, Christian Dior on the other pocket. Okay. Yo, these are so freaking lit. Ah, I'm loving these. Okay, and here is the hooded top. Bow. Ooh, oh my God, it is so freaking sick. Okay, so it comes with the hood. Really cute. It has like this little snap on the top for the hood, and the design is on the inside of the hood and the outside of the hood, so really good quality. Also, you guys can see right here the Christian Dior Paris label right on the inside, and it has like a silky-ish texture on the inside of the hoodie. The zipper is really nice. It also has a drawstrings for the hood. And of course you can see it has the Christian Dior logo right across the front, and this sick Christian Dior pattern all the way down the sleeve. Oh my God, I am so freaking excited. This turned out absolutely fucking epic. I'm gonna try it on for you guys so that you guys can see the full fit right now, but let's go ahead and open up the accessory because I want to see the headband and try it on all at once. Also, you guys, it's like super thick but not too thick. I'm loving the material. It is totally high quality, and I'm loving it. 10 out of 10, totally worth the $98.40 for a $5,700 outfit. That's $5,700 plus, you know, they're gonna charge you tax, and I kept that for just $98.40. So okay, you guys, so here is the packaging that my sweatband came in, also from China. This one got here super fast. I would say like 3 to 4 weeks. It's been like a month and a half since then, so I can't remember the exact date, but I know that this one really did come in super quick. I was like, oh shit, my package is here already. So all right, let's open it. And I got this as an accessory to match my tracksuit, sweatsuit, whatever you want to call it, so that I can be dripping in Christian Dior head to toe. Or if I don't want to be wearing the sweatsuit, I can still be drippy in my Christian Dior and just rock the sweatband from time to time with like a white tee or something. So, oh shit! Yo, this is so lit. Ooh, okay, so this one comes with an authentic price tag hanging on it that says Christian Dior. It also has the label on the inside, stitched on the inside. And yeah, the inside looks really nice. And the outside is this matching navy blue. It's nice and stretchy, so y'all know if you have like a bigger head like me, that shit is gonna fit. So for pricing, I couldn't find this exact headband on Christian Dior, so I don't know if it's a headband that they don't sell anymore or if it's not like an authentic replica. I just freaking liked it. But I looked up their other headbands on the website and they run from $680 to $1,000 each. And y'all, I paid $18.33 for this. So I literally saved $975 buying this headband on Dhgate. So the savings are freaking epic. Look how sick this matches with the sweatsuit. All right, you guys, let me try this full drip on so that you guys can see it head to toe. Hey, I am freaking feeling drippy as Look right now. Sound off in the comments below what you guys are thinking of this fit. Yo, I am designer as fuck right now, and I don't know about you guys, but I am freaking loving it. Check out the headband, matching perfectly with the top. Only thing, you guys, okay, so I said I ordered a double XL. They don't fit at all. I'd say the double XL fits more like a 6'8". So if you're a size 6'8" or smaller, 6'8", I guess order the double XL. If you're smaller than that, you can order a smaller size. But if you're size 10 and up, like me, I'm a size 10, 12, you are not going to be able to fit these shorts. So I am going to find someone to gift these to. Yo, and when it starts raining, or I want to be like a more shady vibe, I'm going to put this hood up. Okay. I'm loving it, y'all. Alright, guys, all in all, this was totally worth it. I'm loving my haul. I'm feeling super sexy in my top and my headband. The shorts quality is amazing. Size is kind of small, so I'm going to be gifting these to somebody else. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this epic haul from Dhgate of this designer on the low. I love giving you guys these tips, tricks, and hacks, and I know you guys love my other fake designer videos from China. If you haven't already seen those, definitely check them out. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you back on my next video. Bye, guys. You can't help but watch me. Gucci glasses sparkling, Gucci bling bling. Glasses match my diamond ring, dripping diamonds.